married than this. I'm not even looking for the stuff. I said you didn't know before you came.
Doing? Yeah, I know it's been a long time, you guys. My phone is just misbehaving. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I'm Blessing by name. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Benin City, Edo State. Yeah, so you guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and it's an exciting one. So you guys, unbox my Canada visa with me. Yeah, it's been approved. We waited for this for so long, and it's here. Okay, let me show you guys the good news. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be doing relocation content upwards. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, please do it to click on that icon that says subscribe, so you'll be part of the families. Okra, yeah. So we're going to be starting with the processing. I'm going to be doing it right. I'm going to be doing a sit down video explaining to you guys how it all started and where we are right now. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. Yeah, this is this Holy Land microphone. It was a gift from Renoma's Empire, one sweet soul on YouTube. Yeah, she gifted me this microphone. Yeah, when I get to Canada, I'll use this microphone. Okay. Yeah, she gifted me this. It comes with the charger, the phone, which is this one. Yeah, and I think the cord is inside. I charged it. Yeah, then the menu on how to use it. Yeah, and this is the beauty. Can you see? Thank you. Please let me tell Renoma's Empire thank you very much. And voila, this is my passport. That's the visa, and this is the passport. Yeah, so somebody sweet, somebody amazing, an amazing soul, my love, gave me this. Oh my goodness, this used to be one of the problem I have with filming. This used to be like microphone used to be one of the problems I have, even though this place I live and like this particular house I'm living in is so quiet, a very quiet area, because yeah, it's very quiet. The compound as well is quiet. We don't have kids here, we don't have people misbehaving, so this environment is so calm and quiet, so I can film without microphone. But sometimes I also want to talk with microphone, so you know, it will sound audible and all that. So I have the visa, and here's the passport. So my love bought this for me. This is different from the one I had, the one I've gotten before. You guys know the other K9 wireless microphone. This is it. This is different. This is different, you guys. This is different. It's bigger than the other one, the normal K one. This one, this is what I love. Like if I'm using Android phone, you're using, there's no need of you removing it. You know how it's being removed like this now, but this one you can just use it for your iPhone, you can use it for your Type-C phone, you can use it for the phone that has this hook. It's so nice, and I really love it. Thank you so much, my darling. Okay, this is the charger. Oh, I didn't even know. This is the cord. Yeah, it's also a Type-C. Look at it. Whew. I have amazing people that want me to to blow up on this whitey streets, even though my phone is misbehaving, and I know I'll get a new phone. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I didn't tell you guys the name. It's also wireless microphone, yeah, but this is not the K9 Y9. Yeah, it's a wireless microphone. This is it. It comes with a menu as well, where you can, you know, read and understand how to use it. And here is our box that we are using to pack our clothes to Canada. This one over here, you guys. This thing was like, oh, let me take this box out. You guys, look at this panel. Oof, I'm so grateful for this, because it's not all the time we have lights. We have power supply here, I won't lie. It's not that bad. It's okay. It's not bad. But sometimes it gets spoiled. You will not see the light for 1 week, even more than. But with this, and it's almost a sunny season now, so there will always be sun for me to power it. My love also bought this for me. Yeah. So yeah, this is it, and this is the menu as well to read and understand. And you guys, this is it. Can you guys see? I'm so grateful. So this is where you can, you know, plug your phone, the USB. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but yeah, thank you so much. So let me tell my people, thank you for me, the people that is making this Canada to be possible. Tell them thank you. So this is the stuff to hang it. Like if I want to hang it, this is it. Yeah. And I think this one is for the wall. If I want to stick it to the wall, this one, yeah, I will read it, and you know, I'll read to understand how to make it work. I'm so grateful for this panel. Oh my goodness. So I will not be having my phones will not be running down. And this one over here, and you guys, this one over here, can you guys see it? Yeah. So this was also given to me. This one are the clothes I'm going to be wearing. One to the airport, one from Benin to Lagos, the other one from Lagos to Canada. Yeah. And also I was gifted a Kyoda. I really love this Kyoda. Look at it. It's art. Yeah, I love it. Very cute. I love the color as well. And this is the clothes, you guys. Maybe I will do a try on all with these. I love them. Yeah, my love bought this for me. This is so cute, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. This is the second one. It's very cute. And yeah, we have this. Also very beautiful. Yeah. Maybe let me just go put them on and come back and show you guys. Thank you so much for all of you. Renoma's Empire. Please, I will drop the link of Renoma's Empire on the description box and also at the comment section. Go and tell her thank you for me. She got me the Holy Land microphone. Tell her thank you. She has been with me for over the years. I met her on this whitey street. We've got to see each other twice, and we are more like family now. Thank you so much, Sister Renoma. I really do appreciate. To my darling, my love, that got me all of this, that want my phones to always be on. Thank you so much, so that when I land Canada, I will have enough battery to chat everybody that I've landed. Okay, yeah, let me go change and I'll get back to you guys. And you guys, this is what the shirt looks like. It looks really cute. At the back, this is what it looks like. It looks really beautiful. And up close, this is it. It feels so cool on my body. I just love the texture, and I love the color as well. It looks really beautiful. Is this white and it's not white, I think off white and black. It looks really good, and it's so cool on the skin. I love it. So you can choose to do it like this if you wish. You know, if you want your stomach to be to be open. You can choose to, and it also looks really good like this. What do you think? It looks really cute. I love it. So let's go try the next one. Voila! What do I look, you guys? How do I look like? What do I look like? This is the full length of the dress, and it looks really cute. It's very free. Yeah, you can see it's stretchy. A bigger size can wear this. It's so soft on the skin. I think that's one thing you have to take home from this video. The dress is so soft, and it's also same as the other t-shirts, cream and black, so it's not a pure white, and it's so beautiful, you guys. It's so soft on the skin, and it's stretchy. It's not a, you can see it's very free, which I love. You guys, you can see that I have a mommy patch. Even though I'm not a mommy yet, I have a very big stomach, so I don't like wearing things that is so tight to my skin. I love to wear things that I'm free with. And this is one of them. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at my back. It's so beautiful. I love this. Yeah, so let's go try the last one. Okay? Yeah. Voila! Yeah. You guys, this is the last dress that my friend got me, and it's blue and white straps. It's not white, off white, or gray color, a bit cream color, I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, this is it, and it has this pocket over here, which I really love. And let me show you guys the full length. Can you guys see me? Yeah, this is the full length of the outfit, which I love so much. It's very free as well. It's not tight. Very free. And if you know me, you know that I love free things. And also, who got me this dress is not somebody that love you exposing your body. So I know why I got all of this. But it's so beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it. You guys, I have a big stomach. I know you guys don't know. Maybe some of you who have watched my video where is a full video, you might have seen my big my biggie stomach. So this, you can't even tell that I have a big stomach with this. Can you guys see it? You can't tell. So, which is why I love it as well. It's so beautiful. And you guys, this will be the end of my Canada visa approval unboxing for you guys. So this one, I think this will be, maybe I'll wear this one when I'm going to Canada, from Lagos to Canada. Maybe I'll wear this, and the other one from Benin to Lagos. So what do you guys think about my outfit? And thank you so much if you watch up until this time. It's a clickbait, and I know you know by now. Please, no, do not insult me, because we want, on this platform, we need to be monetized, and anything to get to that stage, we're gonna do it. Okay, so please do not be angry with the clickbait that you just watched. I really love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye. Let's go create a thumbnail that I know will attract you all. The thing that attracted you to this video right now, let's go create the thumbnail. Bye guys, please do well to subscribe. Do not mind me, it's a clickbait. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, you get all of the goodies that you want to be seeing here. All right, and do not forget, this is my business over there. I make hair, and I sell already made dresses, something like this, trousers and top, a whole lot of things. Okay, with Akara, English, we have all of them there. I have a parcel to go send out now. Today is Monday. Today is more like my off day. I don't really do too much, and I have a whole lot to do today, so I want to go send out an order to Port Harcourt. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my business page, Chantel Osas Collections on Facebook, Chantel Osas Collections on Instagram. It will be on the screen here. The link to my Facebook and Instagram will be at the description box. Please do well to go follow me.